Have you ever wondered if that trendy VidCash app is really the side hustle it promises, or just another digital trap? Let's break it down step by step and see if you're being scammed in 2026. VidCash, made by CapsTab Scanner, claims you can earn easy money by watching short videos and completing a few tasks. Sounds simple, right? But here's where things get messy. First, tons of users say they never actually get paid. You grind away, rack up points, and then the app tells you your payout is processing forever. Some folks who finally hit the cash out threshold, say for $25, only see pennies, like 9 cents. Ouch. Now, as you keep using the app, you'll notice your earnings per video keep shrinking. The more you play, the less you get. It's like chasing a moving finish line. And don't forget the constant flood of ads, sometimes every 2 minutes. That's not just annoying, it's how the developers make money off your time. If you try to contact support for your missing cash, good luck. Most users never hear back at all. Worried about your privacy? You should be. According to the Google Play Store, VidCash collects personal data like your location and device info, and it might not even encrypt it properly. That could put your info at risk, just for a shot at a payout you might never get. So, what's the real deal? VidCash is designed for one thing: making money for its creators, not you. If you value your time and your privacy, skip this app. You deserve better. Stay smart, protect your data, and don't fall for empty promises. Subtitle: The truth about VidCash. Don't get played in 2020.